one of the most loyal ethnic groups participating for the last 17 years with the Angelo Valley International Heritage Festival. So please help me welcome Mr. Arnel Sandiego. Tell us a little bit about the dance and about the Filipino group.
Well, a pleasant day, everybody. My name is Arnel Sandiego. I'm the president of the Filipino-American Association of the Angelo Valley. The Philippines has 7,100 islands, divided into three main regions: the South, Central, and the Northern region. It was in the Northern region where this dance that you're about to see was born, the Maranao Maiden Dance. It is a communal dance in which women show their grace by manipulating a fan or a scarf